Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a landing page in WordPress, a complete tutorial for beginners. So, if you want focused page for leads, events or sales and want to keep your site simple, you're in the right place. I will show you step by step how to do it for free just using WordPress powerful block editor. So you have two ways of doing this, through the block editor or through plugins. Plugins are the paid way. You'll have to first buy a pro plan, upgrade to WordPress Premium, and then you'll be able to install a plugin by going to plugin and installing it. So we'll do it by using block editor. But before doing that, let us see what exactly is a landing page. A landing page is a single purpose-driven web page. Think newsletter sign up, event RSVP, or product pre-sale. Unlike regular pages, it removes distractions, no menus, sidebars, or footers, keeping visitors focused on your call to action. Let's see how easy it is to build one on a fresh WordPress site. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, click Pages. Now, choose Add Page. After you do this, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll have to give your page a clear title, like Get My Free Guide or Book Your Spot. Now, you will see the WordPress block editor. So this is the WordPress block editor, a clean area to build your page section by section. Notice the plus button at the top or in each section. This is how you add blocks or content. Now, to make this a true landing page, remove navigation menus and the footer. So here you can see I'm easily able to add the heading, add the subheading, and now I can choose a block. For example, if I would want to add anything, I will click on this plus icon and I can add a block like paragraph, image, heading, gallery, list, and much more. For example, I will choose paragraph. Now, I'll have to simply just write about my product like get your spot booked at 50% discount with our latest exclusive deals. And then I can explain what the landing page is about. Or if you don't want to add a paragraph, you can choose image, click on upload and upload any kind of image you want. For example purposes, I added this one. You can change the size of this image. You can edit this image like align it, add duotone filter. You can link this image so that if anyone clicks on this image, they'll be redirected to another page. You can also replace this image or just click on three-dotted icon. You can copy, duplicate and edit this image anyhow you want for this page. Now after adding this, whenever you're going to click just below that image, you will see the plus icon again. Now you can choose a heading or you can add list, gallery or anything. For example, I will add gallery. Now I can click on upload or I can also click on generate with AI and type in monkey NFT. I will click on generate and as you can see I get the option to insert this image. Now a gallery has been created and an image has been inserted. Now I will click on this icon again, click on add, click on upload and I also get the option to upload more images like this. So this will be a gallery. Anyone can toggle between these images. You can also do the placing for these images. Now after you do this, click below that section, click on add and choose to add a list, quote or anything you want like the product features, product descriptions and the perks that the customer is going to get with that product. Just customize your landing page anyhow you want. You can also click on the plus icon at the top left and choose to add all of these options. You can also add a column. That will be pretty helpful for you. Like you can select a layout that divides the columns. If I choose this one, a column will be created where I can easily add anything. I can also add title, gallery, upload images for my landing page. After I get finished with this, I will just click on publish. Click on publish again and my landing page will be successfully published. As you can see, my spot is live. Now, in order to make sure that the SEO is done and the URL looks good, we'll have to just go back to our WordPress dashboard. We'll navigate to settings and choose permalinks. Now, you'll have to make sure that you unlock permalinks and create a custom URL to structure your permalinks that looks good. After you do all these and publish your landing page, it will be just right here. The stats will be shown here. You can easily click on your landing page to view it and edit it anytime you want just from this dashboard. You can customize it, add more blocks if you want, and publish your landing page pretty easily. Now, make sure that you add more sections like list, testimonials, spacer or divider. And as you add, scroll slowly through the content so viewers can see each block being placed and customized. The block editor lets you drag and drop and rearrange everything easily. Now, you can also click on the desktop icon at the top right and choose to view this in mobile. So this is the thing that you need to make sure that your landing page looks good on mobile. And if anything is not looking good, just make sure you edit it to get more conversions for your product or service. You can also tweak colors and fonts in the right sidebar or the block toolbar, so your page feels cohesive, matches your brand, and the call to action button pops. After you do all these, just visit your site, navigate to your new landing page link, test every button or form. Does it work smoothly? Everything should be distraction free. And that's it. You've created a completely free WordPress landing page, no plugins, no code, just a smart use of the block editor and a little creativity. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your landing page link in the comments. And I'd love to check it out or offer tips. See you in the next one.